Welcome to Natural Reader text-to-speech software. Natural Reader is a professional text-to-speech program that converts any written text into spoken words. In other words, it allows you to listen to text instead of reading it on the screen. Natural Reader works with PDF files, Office Word documents, web pages, and ebook EPUB files. You just open the documents and listen to them in Natural Reader and can even synchronize with your mobile devices. The paid versions of Natural Reader have many more features, a great selection of natural-sounding voices. Natural Reader software includes 2 to 6 voices chosen from 7 languages. Paid versions can convert any written text into an audio file, so you can listen to it later on your mobile devices. One additional important feature of Natural Reader is the optical character recognition (OCR) function. OCR works with your scanner or camera to convert printed characters into digital text, which allows you to listen to it on your computer or edit it in a word processing program. With the OCR function, Natural Reader can even convert e-books or e-text books from images to text, thereby allowing you to listen to your books from Kindle, Adobe, iBooks, or Course Smart on your computer, Android device, or iPhone. Enjoy exploring Natural Reader.